I think it's helpful for any given international lawyer always to give lectures and always to have to think more deeply into topics and to anticipate the questions that, a highly intelligent student may be asking, because that's the sort of question that a tribunal may be asking in due course. So one always learns when you're preparing lectures, and I think it's important for anybody generally to be participating in the dissemination of such knowledge as they may have, to try and help build up local centres of knowledge, because historically the centres of public international law have been reasonably restricted, and absolutely over the recent years we're seeing those restrictions, or that restricted nature, dissipating, and people becoming specialists in international law in many different locations around the globe. And the more that happens, the better. I think you're asking good people to come along, and I like the way you're having one very distinguished person giving a series of lectures, not unlike the Recueil des Cours, and then you're having a specialist topic and having 5 or 6 different experts within that field speak along that specialist topic. So I think that can be very helpful indeed for the participants, because they improve their general knowledge of public international law and at the same time really get deep into one individual topic. Because after all, it seems to me to be quite an intense course. The participants are getting a lot of lectures and having to think and work a lot. And if they're putting the hours in, not just attending the lectures, but putting the hours in preparing for seminars and thinking about the different topics, then they're going to come out of this process having learnt a very great deal. I have a very deep respect for the person who I see as being behind or most associate with the centre, that is Judge Kolodkin. And it's an absolute pleasure and a privilege to be helping him in assisting in events at the centre. That people who devote the 2 weeks to the course are going to come out at the end having learnt a very great deal. And I think one shouldn't forget that we live in a world where lots of people spend lots of time going to lots of conferences and end up learning nothing. And that's a very odd world to live in. But so many times one sees conferences are really just about the promotion of an organisation or individuals who want to speak on a certain topic, possibly only getting a 15-minute slot or maybe even less, don't have time to develop their understanding or convey their understanding on that particular topic. The whole thing becomes a bit of a waste of time. So a conference like this or a series like this stands in sharp contrast to that.